Hey guys, what's up? It's Chris. I have a fun and exciting video for you today, and you're going to want to stick around until the end for details on a giveaway that I'll be doing. So let's just jump right into it. In front of me here, I have a vegan chocolate bar. This is VEGO, and for those of you who aren't familiar with VEGO, it is a delicious chocolate from Germany. And I first found out about this when I was doing my book tour over in Germany about 5, 6, 7 years ago, and it's become my favorite chocolate ever since. The only problem was they only sold it over there in Germany and other parts of Europe. But now there is a official US rollout of VEGO here in the United States, and I'm very excited about that. So that's what this video is about, and I'm just telling you guys that this is my absolute favorite chocolate, but we want to get the reactions of more people than just myself so you guys know that this is the real deal. So in this video, I'm going to find as many people as I can, give their reaction to trying the VEGO bar. Look at that chocolate. Look how thick it is. It's filled with hazelnuts.
All right, got the VEGO bar here. Chris wants me to try. I'm the first willing victim. As long as I can get this open, this would be embarrassing if I can't. And no, you boys can't have any.
Candy bars. Well, hold on. I gotta open it, okay? It's a VEGO bar, okay?
Okay, I'm going to try the VEGO bar for the first time.
Io abito italiano per 2 anni, e 69, 69 e 68. Mi piace chocolate.
The Irishman that lived in Italy.
Trying the VEGO bar. I'm pretty excited about this.
I like VEGO bar.
Go vegan, and we have a VEGO bar. All right, Laura, you're gonna try a piece of the VEGO bar and tell us what you think.
All right.
It's a huge piece. Okay, here we go.
Oh, this is a big chunk.
Ooh, wow, that's a big piece. Hold on.
Whoa, look how big these pieces are.
Wow, they're so big.
But I don't want...
It's hazelnut and...
It smells pretty chocolatey. There's like some bumps on the bottom. Do you know what, is that like filled? Oh, is it like hazelnuts?
Hazelnuts.
Oh, cool. So like a hazelnut bar.
So our landlord's coming back tomorrow, so...
Break me off a piece of that. Yeah.
Break me off a piece of that.
I heard it's really good and nice and milky.
How do you... Do I take the whole thing?
You try it.
Just bite right into it?
Gotta try this booty.
You know the worst thing about prison? They got no VEGO candy bars.
And tell me what you think.
Okay, it smells a little bit.
Roasted hazelnuts and a vegan milk chocolate.
Ooh. You can't find that very often in the vegan world.
Never.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay.
Try it.
Yeah. He doesn't eat peanuts, but there's hazelnuts.
Bottom of the sea.
Is it milky? I
He's gonna fix that, he's gonna fix the cabbage coming off.
Wow.
The are all like...
And I tried this one that Chris gave me.
Oh, good. That's really good. Oh my god.
Molto bella, molto bella.
I'm not sure what he said, but I think he likes it.
Tastes good.
Tastes good? Do you like it good enough that you want the whole thing, or do you want to give that other piece to Mom?
I want the whole thing.
Okay. It's the best thing I've ever eaten.
not bad. I like it.
The sign of a good chocolate is like when it can kind of melt in your mouth kind of early on.
It's pretty good.
That's really good.
It's already like melting in my mouth. It's really soft. Yeah. She was right. It's nice and milky.
Wow. It's so like smooth.
That's good. Wow.
Arr.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
2 thumbs up.
It's amazing.
It's like eating solid Nutella.
So that's a yes then?
It's like yeah, like the inside of like a Ferrero Rocher is what it reminds me of.
I saw her eyes light up.
It was really good.
It's so good.
Wow. Doesn't taste vegan.
No.
Very creamy, milky. I'm not a huge chocolate person, but this is like exceptionally delicious.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah, thank you.
Tastes like Nutella in a bar.
Yeah.
Super good. Nice and crunchy.
It's really good. He's gonna die.
Yeah.
That's good. As far as like milk chocolate especially.
There's like a crunch in there with the hazelnuts and the creamy like milk chocolate taste to it. Really good.
Yeah, it's very good.
Super creamy.
Honestly, since going vegan, I feel like a lot of the chocolate's just dark chocolate, but this is like actually milky and nice. I don't know. I like it.
Can you taste it through the mask?
It's a good balance of like chocolate and nut, you know?
This is freaking awesome.
Yeah, that Toblerone. It's really good.
Oh, no big deal.
It's a lot better than gruel.
I would agree with that.
Nutty.
It's really like creamy.
It tastes like Nutella in a bar.
Yeah.
It's not from Mudbloods though.
See those nuts?
That's good.
That's really good.
It tastes like milk chocolate, hazelnut, creamy, delicious. Really amazing. Thank you for sharing.
It's like a milk chocolate, even though it's not milk, you know? It's really good.
Like it.
Do you like it?
Yeah, this is good.
We got a thumbs up?
We got 2 thumbs up.
Okay. All right. I think we need to let your parents, the experts, in
The
chocolate,
experts, yeah.
try this out. All right. So now we're going to take a trip over to Hercules Candies and see what Noah and Craig's parents think of the chocolate. All right. We're sitting right outside Hercules. This company has been in their family for over 110 years. These guys are the experts. They know chocolate. So I have my chocolate bar right here. Let's go see what they think.
Couldn't resist. This is the scaring door. This is the
VEGO bar.
whole hazelnut chocolate bar.
They're pretty big pieces.
Okay.
You're free to eat the whole piece or break it in half, whatever you want to do.
I'll take a bite and give the other bite to my husband or somebody.
I'm sure you've had enough chocolate probably for the day.
No, I haven't had any today because I didn't
okay.
have lunch yet. I'm not allowed to have chocolate before lunch. Those are my mother's rules.
Ooh, okay.
She's so strict. Okay, we got a nice...
There's hazelnuts in it too, by the way.
That's nice. Now, this is milk chocolate, but there isn't actually a milk of any type in here. Did you already read the ingredients?
Yes.
Out loud?
Oh, sure.
Okay. Cane sugar, whole hazelnuts, chocolate liquor, hazelnut paste, cocoa butter, sunflower lecithin. So that's good because a lot of times it's soy lecithin, which people are allergic to, and vanilla extract. So there's no milk type thing because a lot of times the vegan milk chocolates have rice milk in it. So.
Can she do it?
Uh-oh. There's trouble. Just walk through the door.
Boom.
Oh.
That's my...
Hello, Uncle.
He's not vegan.
Oh, maybe does he like chocolate though?
Yeah. Come here, brother. From the same mother. Just eat this.
I like those things.
It's pretty good. Mm-hmm. I'm liking it. I got some bad news for you. It's vegan.
That's what I said.
Go ahead, spit it out.
Pretty good.
This is a solid, good milk chocolate. They must be using the hazelnut paste for the milkiness of it.
I'm not sure, but we have.
I like it.
Hello, niece. How are you?
I'm good.
Two.
How are you?
Two.
Okay, cool.
I'm home.
We have Craig You've never tried this before?
Never tried it before.
And Kara, never?
Is it on my face?
No, because you never tried it.
No, something else.
All right, so the twins are gonna try it and see what they think.
All right, cheers.
It's the first time.
Pick it up later. Tastes chocolatey. It's like creamy. Definitely like melts in your mouth once it's on your tongue.
It is like Nutella.
I feel like
It's
there's
super creamy.
hazelnuts in the bar. Is it just me?
There may be.
But it really is like milky and
Chocolatey,
thick.
creamy,
Yeah.
velvety.
Just perfect.
Mad good.
All right, so yeah, we have some chocolate. It's Italian chocolate from Germany.
Wow.
That makes any sense? Got hazelnuts in it.
Cool.
It's all vegan, so you tell me what you think.
Let me get a little knife here.
Yeah, it's a pretty thick piece of chocolate.
Yeah, cut right through it. Okay, ready?
Yep.
That's good.
You got it, that's good.
We get a 1 thumbs up, 2 thumbs up, 2 thumbs up.
Ooh, yeah, it's
And
good.
for him, that's good. It means that's amazing to the average person. Because he just says that's good when he really likes things.
Well, there.
I'm his translator.
That's good.
Excellent.
Excellent. Okay, Max, you know where it's from?
Can you tell by
That's a
smelling
scary question.
it? Do you know where that's been?
He's doing the smell.
No, I have no idea. Where's it from?
Well, it's Italian chocolate from Germany.
Oh. Nice. Yeah, the classic, huh? This is vegan chocolate?
Yeah.
We have Swiss chocolate.
VEGO.
With hazelnuts in it.
That's solid.
Like milk chocolate?
Oh, it's definitely milk chocolate. I'm waiting for it to like really hit me, but the hazelnut comes right through. It's super creamy. A lot of the vegan chocolates are a little thinner, but this one is like melting in my mouth like actual chocolate. Like, that's good. Those hazelnuts are really good too. It reminds me of something. But...
Nutella or something?
Oh yeah, a little bit like Nutella. Or a Ferrero Rocher. That's what it tastes like. That is good.
No, me neither.
That's definitely the best vegan milk chocolate I've ever had.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, by far.
That is really good.
Definitely.
I'm not into
Chocolate
candy,
tears.
but that is.
Well, there we go. I
Yeah, I
think
gotta
that's a
try it.
solid 2 thumbs up for VEGO. Straight from the chocolate company that's been doing this for over 110 years. That says a lot. All right, Craig, so try this chocolate.
Okay.
Oh, wait a minute. Let's get your twin in there and try it with you at the same time.
Oh yeah, he hasn't tried it yet,
No.
so
Hey, Greg.
it's pretty good. I'll try anything 3 times. All right. Cheers. It's good. He always does that.
All right, and now details for the giveaway. VEGO has partnered with me to give away a bunch of these chocolate bars to 3 lucky winners. What you need to do is go over to my Instagram page, The Vegan Zombie. I'll make a post over there. You'll comment on that post. Make sure you like my post and make sure you're following my account and VEGO's account. I'll have all the details on the post, by the way. And tag 2 friends below. That will make you eligible to win. You also have to be within the United States, have a shipping address within the United States, because this is the rollout here in the United States. If you're living in Europe or some parts of, over where it's made, then you likely would have a grocery store that already sell these. And this is probably old news to you. You can find these at several grocery stores throughout the country. And I'm sure they'll get into some bigger stores as time goes on. But right now you could find them at Drizzle and Shine, Follow Your Heart, Food Fight Grocery, Health Food Centers, Milk Guys, Nooch, On the Bus, Orchard Grocer, Plant-Based Grocery, Rabbit Food Grocery, Riverdel Cheese, V Marks the Shop, VBurger, and Vegan Haven. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit my bell for notifications. You can always support me on Patreon, link below. And other than that, stay safe, watch out for zombies. I'll see you guys next time.
Davvero. Ciao.